সো আজকে আমরা শিখবো হচ্ছে adverbs of place. প্রথমত adverb of place qualifies the meaning of a sentence by addressing the question where. So এটা হচ্ছে basic definition of adverbs of place. It not only points out the place of action but also where the action occurs or occurred or will occur. কিছু examples যদি আমরা দেখি, I am certain he will come here to jog. They built a house nearby. After a long day at work, we headed homewards. Don't worry about the children, they are playing outside. কিছু রুলস আছে, 6টি রুলস আছে to be specific of adverb of place. প্রথম রুল হচ্ছে adverb of place are usually placed after the main verb of the sentence or its object. So basically a adverb of place main verb after মানে পরে মেইন ভার্বের পরে বা অবজেক্ট অফ এ সেন্টেন্সের পরে প্লেস করা হয়। She looked everywhere for her friends but could not find them. So looked হচ্ছে মেইন ভার্ব, everywhere হচ্ছে যে adverb. The adverb of place indicate directions such as up, down, around, away, north, southeast. Example, John looked up to see a kite fly in the sky after the main verb. Rule number 3, adverbs of place indicate distance such as nearby, far away, miles apart. Example যদি দেখি, if you go in the southeast direction, you will find the church. So এখানে directions দেখানো হচ্ছে। Rule number 4, an adverb of place indicates an object's position in the relation to another object such as below, between, above, behind, through, around, and so forth. Example, Sandra's house is nearby. You can easily find it. Rule number 5. An adverb of place can also function as a preposition. So example যদি দেখি, you will find a dungeon down there. এটা হচ্ছে adverb of place acting as a preposition. এরপর আসছে an adverb of place indicates movement in particular directions such as towards, forward, backward, homeward, westward, eastward, onwards, inwards, upwards. Example যদি দেখি, I look above and you will see gray clouds in the sky. Sorry, আমি এক্সাম্পলটা একবার বলি, look above and you will see gray clouds in the sky. So এগুলো হচ্ছে কয়েকটা রুলস, 6টি রুলস টু বি স্পেসিফিক অফ অ্যাডভার্ব অফ প্লেস। আজকের এই ভিডিওটা খুবই শর্ট ছিল এবং এতটুকু পর্যন্তই আসে। হোপফুলি দেখা হবে নেক্সট সেকশনে। থ্যাংক ইউ।